Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Channel Trade Group. So it's me, Amtrade, and let's discuss what we do all the day and how we start our trading day. What's the sheets and what are the level sheets that we share daily, every early morning with the students. So basically, we start our trading day. This is the our community interface. So if you are a Tenet member, then you have to just first open your website. So you have to open your website and then you have to go to your members and community area, and then you have to just enter community. If you are an annual member, then you will get the access to the webinars as well. So this is the repeatable trading system and setups that we are trading every day in the community. So this is the best things and the best library all over the a trading world that I personally discovered because I'm also a member in 2021 and 22 in the channel. So basically this is the foundation level webinars, and then if you are just starting the trading, then this the support and resistance, the risk management and the trading psychology webinars will help you a lot. So if you are a day trader, or if you want to learn how we doing the things every day, then must watch this daily trading routine webinar. So this will help you a lot in your trading journey as well. And this is the concept building and the mind building webinars. So you must have to understand this webinar. If you are starting if you are new and this is your first day in the community, then must watch this new member orientation webinar. So personally will all walk through all the process in the community. So this is the strategic level webinar, like trading in the leverage ETFs, futures, and the swing tradings, like grade your setups, 10M. This is the 10M midday plus end of the trading setups and the trade the open webinar. So these are the most important webinars if you are looking for a repeatable system and setup to trade. I will also share my setup, my layouts with you. Like this is my layout. So I'm trading the GLD and gold today. So this is my personal trade. This is the bullish flag and the 10M trend I'm using in this. So I'm also checking the GLDs as well. So you will see that the market is moving up and then it's just break up the trend line as well, and the 512 cards as well. So basically we traded this is my watch list, and then Rips also shared his trading view watch list and his news play, his all the sheets. I will go through all the sheets and all the data with you. So this is the layout shared by the Ripster. This is the 512 EMA, this is 3450 EMA, this is the 1 hour 3450 MTF cloud, this is the daily 2021 MTF cloud, and this is the daily 5055 EMA cloud. And I'm using this this is the addition, this is not provided by the Ripster. This is the levels indicator. I'm using this level as indicator, and just ignore this SV and the BO and the TR. Basically this is the volume reading script because I'm also using the volumes. So this is the addition because every trader has its own trading as well. So this is my addition. I added these things in the Ripster trading layout system. So again, we traded too many names. So I will go through all the things with you. So this is my Twitter, and then I shared my complete trading view watch list with you with all the members. It's just free. And then I also shared the cost, that what will I do in the cost session. So basically this is my this is the earning day 2. This is holding 1000 key level, and the what my pre-plan is 1 hour MTF bounce for a long versus 3450 SL below. So basically my first idea is to I will add at the 1 hour bounce area. I will add the cost whenever it bounces from the 110 and $27, and SL just below this, the closing candle, any 10 minutes candle just close below this MTF cloud, then I will just rid of my rid of my long trade. And the second trade is 3450 and 512 call, like the once the market moved up and crosses the 512 and 3450 and then I will go add the long. And my first target will be 1052, and the second target around the 1060. And the third setup is that if SPY and QQQ remains under pressure, and then I will short the 3450 break on Costco, and then my target will be MTF, where I will try to long the market. So basically now this is the three possible setup that I will play in the cost, and now it's the pre-plan. So now I have to decide all the things when the market opens. So I shared this charts nearly around 30 to 40 minutes ago, I think around 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so this is my Ulta. Again, same setup, repeatable 1 hour MTF bounce. I will either add on the 1 hour MTF bounce versus SL below the MTF. Second, I will add the 3450 and 512 curves long versus SL below 3450. And this is the short setup. Basically, I only short when the SPY and QQQ and all the markets were fading down. So this is my short setup, but I'm not comfortable because the market is holding up in the pre-market. The SPY and QQQ is holding up, so that's why I'm not comfortable with the short trades. So, but this is my ultra trade. And the third one is my Zscaler. So same setup, again same setup. 1 hour MTF bounce for long SL. Either first I will add on the 1 hour MTF long. Second I will just add on the yesterday high break long versus 3450 break. So basically I will add when the yesterday one, like once the price break the 276.5 dollar resistance, then I will add the longs, and my SL will be just below this blue the light blue cloud. And the second is the 3450 and 512 curl long versus 3450 SL break. So basically, if the market just goes down and then it's moved up, then I will also long this. And this is the also the pre-blend setup that I shared earlier, and on the 8 a.m. Today. So basically, you will see the time as well here. So again, once when the market opened, I started to share my trades, my analysis in the community as well, and then market moved very well. And I added a cost, I added a Ulta, and I also added a UNH as well. So basically, this is my pre-planned setups I shared with you. So now I'm showing you how we trade this in the community. So basically, if you are wants to explore, so this is the webinar section, and if you want to just enter into the community, just go to the community and then enter community, just add your name, add your email, and if you just wants to change your a logo, then you have option, just remove the picture and add the new one. So I'm comfortable and I'm good with this, my tradition app trade logo, and this is the my app trade, this is my email ID, and then I will just log into the community as well. So this is the community interface. Ripster, like he speaks nearly before the market opens, and he speaks around 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. and then he takes a 1 hour break, and then he also speaks when at the end of the day, end of the hours. So basically, when we start our trading day, let me. So basically, we also have a news board, and then I will show everything with you. Let me mute this. So basically, the first point is that we start the day with the trading terminologies. We share trading terminologies every day in the community. So basically, if you are new, you have to go through all the trading terminologies. Like this is the what is the MTF cloud, what is the MTF, what is the MTF bounce, what is the MTF rejection. So all the things. What is 512 break, what is 3450. This is the main and the most important point of our community. So basically, I shared this every day, nearly around the 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. So this is when to buy, when to sell criteria. So we are focusing on the repeatable system and the repeatable setups every day. Like I just shared a repeatable setup. Like every same setups, I'm trying to find into the different tickers, like in the UNH, in the Zscaler, into the and the Ulta Beauty as well. So now we shared again, because this is the first day of the week and the first day of the month. So basically, we also shared a week ahead data and earnings. So this is the all fundamental events schedule according to the date wise, and we almost share everything, like which tickers you have to follow for the earning purposes, and when the earnings will release, after hour or the before hour. So the third point is that we also then we shared pre-market movers. So if you are a gap trader, if you love to trade the gap, because we mostly trade the gap and go, gap and crap setups every day in the community. So basically, if you are love to trade gaps, then this will be the best. This is the pre-market movers shit. And then we around 8:30 a.m. we shared the like this one. This is the RIP news play. Actually, this is the draft watch list, because we are sharing this with all the members. Then they will like do their own technicals on the stickers, and they will set their add the names on the trading view watch list. Then they will be ready for the trades, because we separated the tradings in the three main categories, like traded open. So this is the starting 1 hour or 40 minutes of the trading. So this is the risky and the high volatile session, and then the mid of the session, still mid of the day, and we try to find out the trades on the mid of the day trades, and then we go we trade the like at last the power hour. So basically, this is our repeatable setups. One sec, I will also share the repeatable setup. So we also like update the pre-market planning tab with the same ticker. So if you want to find out anything, if you are in the community and you are not aware how to use the community, then you will go through all the sheets from the pre-market planning tab as well. Again, then we shared a tenet backup summary. So this is the overview of the what's going on in the corporate sectors, what's going, which companies will release earning, top upgrades and downgrades, pre-market movers, commodities market, bonds and yields, what the bonds markets are doing, key economic data, all the things we shared then. And then this is the low float sheet. If you are a low float or penny stock trader, then this will be the best. We almost share these sheets as well every day. And then we also have a IPO, because there is no IPO scheduled today, so that's why I just announced it, no IPO today. And then we shared a future levels. So this actually, the reason behind the support and resistance pivot is that once the market breaks this support pivot, then market turns bearish. Our bias will be turned bearish, and if the market break the resistance level, then our like our system will tell us that that you have to long the market, because market is just breaking the resistance pivots. And then every day we share the day 2 day 3 sheet like cost. I highlighted the cost top on the sheet, that cost earning day to 1 hour MTF support below, and the UNS Ripster also like highlighted this in the red area, and then the CRWV. So core wave is also the most important. So basically, if the ticker is highlighted with the red, then it's most important. You have to anyhow have to check this sticker. And then this is the main our trade. This is the main sheet that the reps shared every day in the community. And then he also shared the pre-market planning live screen. And then he also right now from last 2 to 3 days he also guiding over the voice as well. And then we started to share, he shared his watch list, and then we started to share like trades learned by the Ripster. And then we are not, if you are looking for a buy and sell blind signal, then this community is not for you. So basically this is for the pure learning, and how you will focus on the repeatable setup, because we want that you should trade at your own. So basically this is the Ripster, like trade alerts area. Like Ripster also shorted the Tesla and then covered the Tesla ZS flag breakout. He's mentioning that what you should see on your charts, because Ripster is mentioning that he is watching ZS flag breakout. Then it means that there is a flag breakout in the ZS charts. Then you have to check this flag breakout and you have to trade this flag breakout, and you must have idea that how to trade the flag breakout pattern. So basically he all the day he shared his analysis, like he just explain the like Zscaler trades again. So okay, so let me share my trades with you. I'm also helping the community, and I'm also trading at my own. Okay, so where it is, one sec, let me find out the my trades. Okay, so you will see that I shared every same things that I shared on my Twitter, and then I added a cost right on the 9:33 a.m. And then I added a actually market is opening, so basically this will be automatically. I added a GLD as well on the Friday trades. So this is the like trades shared by me. One sec. Actually, it's filtering out again and again because we are receiving a new messages. Market is open, or around 1,000 plus persons are trading with us right now. And then scan bot and the news bot is speaking. And if you will see that this all the screens, like this is the scan bot TI scan, this is the BB scan. So basically, if you once you join the community, once you are part of Trend, then you don't have to like put your money on your black on the flow scanners as well. So you will get around a thousands of dollar plus data free along in the community. You just have to like split your screen into 2 to 3 sections, or you have to just add a two or three more monitors with your laptop or with your desktop. This is the option AI flow, this is the cheddar flow. This is this is the book map of the low, this is the book map of the like low floors as well. So this is our book map of Tanet book map live, and this is the Ripster live screen shared. He almost shared his screen all the day. Okay, again, let me share my setups with you. So I traded the Costco. I traded the Costco. I added like exactly same that's like I planned the market system plays exactly, and I added on the break of 3450 and 512 EMA, and I added the like stocks trade on 10 40 42 41, and my stop loss was just below the pre-market low. My first target was 1052, and the second target was 1060, and I also guided all the community on the Costco setup as well. And the second setup I traded is the Zscaler. Okay, so Zscaler also played the same. I shared once it's break the pre-market high, I added the long trade, and my SL just below the low of the pre-market low. That is the 274. Basically, if the market breaks the 274 level, then it will go down, and then this will also 512 and 3450 break setup also happens in the Zscaler. And then third, I traded the UNH. Basically, UNH holding the 300 psychological level, and I added the UNH when it's just break the it's like curl the 3450 cloud, and it's also break this trend line. I added the UNH around 306. My stop loss just below the 304, and I almost closed UNH on the 310, and then rest of the trade I close on the 300, and once the market break the 512 cloud. So basically we are also swinging the UNH. So right now if you are interested in, this is the perfect setup of the UNH as well. Like market is curling 512 and bouncing from the 34. This is the live trade, and I'm also going to add a few shares in the UNH with the stop loss just below the 300. So this is the best trade we are trading live with you. Once the market break these 3450 cloud, then it will go up. So this is the, I'm adding few shares. Just give me a 1 minute, then I will add few shares in UNH right in front of you. Okay, so I'm not trading options. I'm mostly comfortable with the shares because you have to be very careful in the options because options carries a you have to be a master in the theta. I have a very good grip on the options. I mostly aid the option strategies like vertical spread and the vertical spread, bear call spread, put call spread. So I almost trade the options. So okay, I'm adding the UNH long trade added in the UNH with the stop loss just below the 301, and I added a few shares. Okay, so my stop loss will be around $2 and $5, and my target will be around high of the day. So basically, I'm ready to swing this chart as well because it's also showing a 1 hour curl as well. Okay, so I'm adding few more shares in the UNH. So this is the perfect setup, and we traded this live with you. So there are also I also traded a Alta. Alta, I don't want to short Alta because of the it's break the yesterday lows and also break the 3450. But I don't want to add longs in the shorts in the Alta because SPY and QQQ holding up. So that's why I added a few shares once it's break the 470 and 471, and then my target was near I wanted to hold this for the $492, but it's just moved again down to the from where it was moving up. But I closed almost from at the few shares, I also try to close 50% on the first resistance. I try to share the close the first 50% of the trades and hold the 50% with the SL at the break even. So I almost closed the trades when it's tested the $480. So this is my Alta trade, and I also shared that this all the shares are traded into my real account as well. And then let me share the community. Right now we are just trading sharing trade setups with you. This is the level 1, level 2 are the senior traders. They also shared their trades here. And then we also have a pro RGV, and the Ripster also shared in the alerts tab. We mostly share in the trading floor. If you have any question, if you wants to chit chat with anyone, then this chit chat, this is a chit chat group for you. And if you have any question related to our services, then you also have options to ask anything in the support tab. So if you want to see book map of any stock, then this is the book map tab. And this is a trade recap. So basically we share daily trade recaps in this group. We share daily trade recaps in this group. Everyone in the community share trade recaps. And so basically I if you join the Tenet with me, then I will also share like the access to my trading journal as well on my trading journal. Like this is my trade recaps. This is my trade recap that I almost shared every day. This is the Friday setup. I added the Tesla. I traded the Tesla, and then this is also the Nvidia trade. This is the CVNA. This is the PLTR. Like all the shares are traded by me personally. This is the old trade actually, and around November 5, 2024, 6 months old. Okay, so now so this is our community, and if you have any questions, just DM me on my Twitter. Just text me. I love to help you. And then this is my repeatable setup. I also shared my trades here on the community, but I'm not very active because I have to trade at my own account, and I have to provide services to the Tanet members. I also love to help to the persons who DM me. I receive too many DMs every day, and I try to reply everyone daily on the daily basis. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully it will help you a lot. And then I will create another midday recap. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching.